Now let us solve this last question from this paper. First one is solve the equation 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 is equals to 4 by x plus 4. Give your answer correct to two significant figures. So we'll get quadratic equation by using the quadratic equation formula. We'll find out this. Let me take the equation first and we'll use the formula. So your given equation is, that is 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2, that is equals to 4 by x plus 4. This is given. Let us take the LCM. X plus 1 into x plus 2 is denominator as LCM, and numerator is x plus 2 into this plus 2 into x plus 1, that is equals to 4 by x plus 4. And simplify more, x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 it is. So finally that is a 3x plus 4 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equals to 4 by x plus 4. So simplify each and everything and convert into quadratic equation. So numerator and denominator and cross multiplication, 3x plus 4 into x plus 4 by cross multiplication, and 4 into this x plus 1 into x plus 2. Left side and right side simplify everything, and if you convert into quadratic equation you will get finally 3x square plus 16x plus 16. Okay, that is equals to, and this side is same, 4 into x plus 1 you multiply everything, that is 4x square plus 12x plus 8, 4 to the 8. Take all the x terms one side and simplify. So x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Now using this quadratic equation you should use the formula. Then using the formula, if you observe, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We'll use this. Then x is equals to, so here from this a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to minus 8. Okay, from this quadratic equation just substitute in this. So by substituting minus of minus 4, because b is minus 4, plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into a is 1 to c is minus 8 divided by 2a, so 2 into 1. So finally we will get 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 32 divided by 2, and that is 4 plus or minus 4 root 3. Okay, 16 plus 32 is 48. We can write 16 3s up, then that is 4 root 3 divided by 2. Take 2 common and cancel, then 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. Then 2 values here. So that is equals to 2 plus or minus 2 into root 3 is 1.732. So we should take plus and minus. Then x is equals to 2 plus 2 into 1.732, or same x is equals to 2 minus 2 into 1.732. So by taking positive value we will get 5.5 by multiplying and simplifying. By taking negative value you get minus 1.5. So values are up to two significant figures. Therefore values of x 5.5 comma minus 1.5. So correct to two significant figures is this both. Right. So main this formula you need to apply. And next Next question from this one. Second is from mensuration. A hollow sphere of inter diameter is 4 centimeters and external radius is 4 centimeters respectively, and is melted into the solid cone of the base diameter is 8. Find the height of the cone. So that means hollow sphere and solid cone is volumes are same. So let us find out the volume for both. Hollow sphere for this internal radius is 2 centimeters. Internal radius is 2 centimeters and external radius is 4 centimeters. And external radius is 4 centimeters. So these two are given. Then volume of the sphere you can find out. Volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi. According to formula, capital R cube minus small r cube. This is volume of hollow sphere. So that is 4 by 3 pi 4 cube minus 2 cube. Then that is 4 by 3 pi 4 cube minus 2 cube is 56 cubic centimeters. 4 cube is 64 and minus 8 you subtract 56. This is about the hollow sphere. Now let us take the solid cone data. In solid cone, radius of the base is given. So radius of base is given, that is 4 centimeters. Let height be x. So height we need to find out. Let height is equals to x centimeters. So radius is 4 and height is x. Then volume of the cone. So volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi r square h. That means 16 into x. 1 by 3 pi r square x. So according to question, these two values are same. First and second. As per question, these both are equal because they just melted. That means volumes never change. Then 1 is equals to 2. So that implies 1 by 3 pi into 16 into x. 4 square is 16. So that is equals to 4 by 3 pi into 56. So by cancellation here, pi get cancelled. Denominator is 3 cancelled. And 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 4x is equals to 56. X is 56 by 4. That is equals to 14. So x is equals to 14 centimeters. That means height of the cone is 14 centimeters. Whenever questions are melted and recast into other shapes, means you make equate the volumes. You get the problem easily. Right. Now let us say next one. This from installments. This is a banking topic. Mr. Behela opened a cumulative deposit account. Okay, recurring deposit or cumulative deposit account is same. Of monthly installment is 200 at 9% per annum simple interest. He earned total interest is 1764. How many installments did he pay? Number of installments only we need to find out. So let us use the simple interest formula in this banking topic. Let's take the given. Should take the given values. Monthly installment is given, that is 200. Given monthly installment, let be P, that is rupees 200, and number of installments is not given. Number of installments is actually number of months, because every month we will pay installment. So number of installments, that is n, because n months. Then rate of interest is given 9% and simple interest is given. Total interest is earned, that is simple interest. Earned total interest is 1764. Rupees 1764. Now according to the problem, formula is P into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into r by 100. So this formula should apply whenever the problems are there. So this is for simple interest in this bank. So using this formula, you find out the n value, this is number of installments. Just by substituting each and everything in this, simple interest is 1764 is 200. 200 into n value to find out. So n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into r is 9 by 100. Just we need to simplify this equation. So 100 ones are 100, 2s are cancel, and 2 to cancel here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So finally 3 by 4 n into n plus 1. So n square plus n is equals to 1764 from this. And if we simplify this, n square plus n is equals to 588 into 4. Just by cancelling. Then n square plus n minus 588 into 4 is equal to 0. Because here cancel yes, 3 ones are 3, 588 3 table. That's why 588 into 4. Now this is quadratic equation in terms of n. So then n square plus this n plus n, you should split into two parts. You can write 49 48 so 49n minus 48n. This 588 into 4 is nothing but 49 into 48 is equal to 0. If we take n into n plus 49 plus 48 common, n plus 49 is 0. Finally n is equals to minus 48, right? Minus 48. Then n minus 48 into n plus 49 is equal to 0. So from this both, n is equals to 48 or n is equals to minus 49. So this is neglected. There is no negative values. The number of monthly installment is equal to 48 because n value is positive value. So therefore number of monthly installment is equals to 48. That means 12 4s are 48. So 4 years we need to pay every month. So that is rupees 200. Okay, this we can simplify this problem. Now this is question. So not only this paper, other papers are available in this website. I am providing link in description below also. And especially this channel is useful for all the students which are from class 6 to 12th. All the boards are available. So subscribe the channel because we'll upload only the videos which are related to the education and especially useful for students. I hope you understood well. Thank you very much.